In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is already prepared. HLOOKUP works best when the value you want to search for is located in the top row of your table. So before entering the formula, take a quick look at your data layout and confirm that everything is organized correctly. Once your table is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This is where Excel will display the value returned by the formula. Now in that empty cell, type the HLOOKUP formula. The structure is equals HLOOKUP followed by an open parenthesis. After that, enter the value you want to find, then add a comma, select the range of your data, add another comma, enter the row number you want Excel to return the result from, then add another comma and choose either true for an approximate match or false for an exact match, and then close the parenthesis. If you're new to HLOOKUP, it helps to understand what each part is doing. The first part is the lookup value, which is the item Excel will search for in the top row of your selected table. The second part is the table range, which tells Excel where to search. The third part is the row index number, which tells Excel which row inside that selected range contains the result you want to bring back. The last part decides whether Excel should find the closest match or only an exact one. Let's use the sample data shown here as an example. Say I want to find the name that matches ID 102. I would type 102 as the value to look up. Then I would select the data range from A2 to D4. Next, I would enter 2 as the row number because the name I want returned is on the second row of that selected range. Finally, I would type false because I want an exact match. With that formula entered correctly, Excel returns Mary. In simple terms, HLOOKUP searches for a value in the top row of a table and returns a related value from a row below it. It's a useful function when your data is arranged horizontally instead of vertically, and once you understand the formula structure, it becomes very easy to use. And that's it. You now know how to use the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel.